Guangdong Grand Metal Material Company Limited, established in 2018, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of stainless steel sheet and coil, decorative stainless steel sheet, stainless steel strip, stainless steel profile. Our company is located in Foshan Liyuan Metal Logistics Center, which is a large stainless steel distribution and trading area in southern China. We have a wide range of products with steel grades 200, 300, 400 series, including surface finish like number 1, 2E, 2B, BA, number 4, 8K. We also provide customized 2BQ stamping material, 2BK, 8K special material, and others, with surface finish mirror, sandblasting, etching, embossing, lamination, 3D laser, antique, anti-fingerprint, PVD coating, and etc. Meanwhile, we provide customers with flattening, slitting, film covering, packaging, and full sets of export services. We have professional and experienced export sales team. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Asia, European Union, South America, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, we warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and sourcing requirements.
We can provide cold rolled stainless steel coils and sheets, decorated stainless steel sheets of 200, 300, and 400 series.
We provide professional comprehensive service for stainless steel product and look forward to establishing long-term relationships with you.